So these are our green smoke grenades from Black Cat Standard, and I've got to say these are brilliant. They work every time. They're so simple. Once you've lit it, put it down on the floor, upright. There you go, look at that. Gotta say, these are the best we've had. Well impressed with them. Just look at that. They're fabulous. They've got double the amount of powder as those last ones. Brilliant. And I should say they last about 60-70 seconds, so they last a long time as well. And we've got 7 colours, as you'll see on this list. This is obviously the green one. They are such good smoke grenades then.